pandemic has caused many changes, especially for kids. In today's installment of A Brighter Tomorrow, KOMU8's Ellie DeBeer shows us how the pandemic has changed kids' sleep patterns and what steps are needed to get a good night's rest.
There's no silver lining here. Children are struggling with their mental health.
It's a mental health crisis for all children of all ages.
According to the Journal of the Missouri State Medical Association, 65,000 children live with serious mental health conditions, and the pandemic is increasing that number.
There has definitely been an increase in the incidence of depression, of anxiety, and mental health disorders since the pandemic.
Mental health in children has a lot of underlying factors, but one of them is going largely unnoticed.
We pay a lot of attention to, let's say, our diet and what we eat, because we feel that it impacts our health. I think we should also concentrate on sleep.
Sleep is a crucial factor to mental health, and some mental health symptoms can also exhaust children's rest.
It's a two-way relationship. Children with mood disorders tend to have also poor sleep, and sometimes poor sleep also aggravates or exacerbates poor control of their symptoms.
But the biggest issue isn't the amount of sleep kids are getting. It's when they're waking up.
During the pandemic, what we saw was children often didn't have that same structure. They didn't have that same routine.
I feel like that's really one of the advantages of attending school, is that you have a set wake-up time.
When kids don't have a set routine, their sleep quality declines and affects changes in their mental well-being.
This is a time for all of our brains and bodies to rest and recharge. The quality of our sleep very much dictates how we behave during the day emotionally, how we learn.
As kids are returning to school, they can get back to a routine, which can help many factors of their mental health. But it's important for parents to remember how sleep factors in.
We focus on school, academics, achievements, sports activities, but I feel like the importance of sleep is not as well in the forefront.
For KOMU8 Cares, A Brighter Tomorrow.
It really helps. It really helps.
Ellie DeBeer, Columbia.